Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Remote Life with Jack. I'm so excited about the roles I have for you today. You definitely don't want to miss these opportunities, so make sure you stay with me until the end. You might just find your next remote job. Our first role is coming from Cardinal Health as a advanced care specialist. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you'll do in this role, you will assist patients with orders, equipment, and service needs. You will handle phone calls and emails and follow up until issues are resolved. You will verify patient delivery and order information, troubleshoot medical equipment over the phone. You will process and route orders. You will document patient interactions and escalate concerns when needed. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, 1 year of related experience in healthcare administration, insurance, billing, claims, customer service, or call center management. They will also like to see strong communication, organization, problem solving, and computer skills. So this is a great fit for someone with healthcare, insurance, billing, or customer service experience who enjoy helping patients, solving problems, and staying organized. So if you're interested in the Advanced Care Specialist with Cardinal Health, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Devoted Health as a Utilization Management Coordinator. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So for this role, the schedule would be between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with staggered schedules. Monday through Friday, Tuesday through Saturday, and Sunday through Thursday, you'll be assigned a shift between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what you would do in this role, you will manage patient intake, referrals, and prior authorization cases. You will review documentation and medical records for clinical review. You will also communicate with members and providers in healthcare facilities, as well as coordinate peer-to-peer reviews and care transitions. You will also track cases, update records, and support report and administrative tasks. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see experience in healthcare operations, utilization management, care coordination, or prior authorization. They would like to see 1 to 3 years of administrative or medical office experience is preferred. So this is a great fit for anyone who has that healthcare administrative professionals, who has that past experience with care coordinators, prior authorization, or medical office workers who are organized, comfortable working with EHRs, and enjoy coordinating patient care. For this role, the salary starts at $21 ending at $27, which all depends on your location and experience. So if you are looking for that back-end work and you're interested in the Utilization Management Coordinator with Devoted Health, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Image 360 as a Clinical Intake Specialist. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. The salary starts at $20 ending at $24, which all depends on your location and experience. So again, this is 100% remote. So what you will do in this position, you will handle incoming calls and prioritize the intake queue. You will enter patient medical information into the computer system. You will gather clinical information and results when needed. You will contact providers and facilities to confirm service details, as well as follow medical management policies and standard scripts. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see previous remote work experience working in a high volume environment, and also strong communication and computer skills. For this role, it is a great fit for someone who has that healthcare customer service, medical office, intake, or call center experience, who's comfortable handling that high volume of calls. So if you're interested in the Clinical Intake Specialist with Image 360, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Cardinal Health as a coordinator with the Individualized care. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you'll do in this role, you will handle inbound calls and resolve patient needs. You will follow up on patients and obtain missing information, process referrals, and communicate with physician offices and pharmacies. You will enter detailed patient information while being on those calls. You will also manage facts and investigate patient-physician concerns, as well as document and report events when identified. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. 1 year of fast-paced call center experience is preferred. They would like to see strong customer service and communication skills and the ability to multitask, work independently, and handle high volume workloads. For this role, the salary does start at $18, ending at $25, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a great fit for someone with call center experience, healthcare experience, or experience with patient support, and someone who is comfortable to be on the phone. If you're interested in this role with Cardinal Health, the link is in the description to apply. Our last two roles come from CVS. The first position is a call center service advocate. This is a full-time remote position and it is available in 50 locations. So if you're within those 50 locations and you're interested, the link will be in the description to apply. So what you would do in this role, you will handle inbound and outbound patient calls. You will schedule, reschedule, and cancel appointments, as well as answer patient questions and resolve scheduling issues. You will enter patient and appointment information, make reminder and follow-up calls, as well as document patient interaction and work with the medical teams. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. 1 year of customer service experience, call center experience is preferred. Strong phone and communication and computer skills, prior remote work experience, and you must have the ability to multitask and manage time effectively. For this role, the pay starts at $17, ending at $34, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a great fit for someone who enjoys helping people and is comfortable handling lots of phone calls and can stay organized. So if you're interested in this position with CVS as a call center service advocate, the link is in the description to apply. Our last role with CVS is a customer service representative. This is a full-time remote position. This position is available in 16 locations. So if you're within those 16 locations and you're interested, the link is in the description to apply. So what you'll do in this role is help members, employers, doctors, and healthcare providers with benefits and claims issues. You will research and resolve customer issues, educate customers about benefits and available resources. You will document interactions and maintain confidential information, as well as collaborate with other teams to resolve concerns. You will also use technology and AI tools to support customer service. For this role, the position does pay $18.50 an hour, and new hires are eligible for a $2,000 sign-on bonus after 9 months of service. You must remain employed for a minimum of 12 months. The requirements is a high school diploma or GED, 6 months of customer service experience. You must have basic computer skills, and you must work in Eastern or Central time zone. So again, if you are interested in this role, the link will be in the description to apply. That's it for today's remote job leads. Make sure you apply fast, stay consistent, and your next work from home opportunity could be right around the corner. Don't forget to subscribe to Remote Life with Jack, and I will see you in the next video.